Welcome back to the channel. Ham Radio Reality G6PNH here. Now then, the contest is over with, so thank you very much everybody who called in, and in a minute I'll actually run through and you can give me your own call signs on here so we know who you are. But a special thank you to all those people who came on and entered into the log without actually entering into the contest. Some of it is that's what it's about, because there's no point having all the listeners if there's nobody actually on transmitting. You've got to be transmitting for everybody else who's shortwave listeners, licensed listeners, etc. So thank you very much indeed to everybody, but an extra special thank you to those who came on. I did ask one or two whether you were entering into the contest, and you said no, you just came on to give the points, etc. Thank you very much for that. So here we are. Here's a list of you, and you're saying your own call signs. Thank you again. Hello, CQ contest. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel G6 PNH. It's calling CQ contest.
Mike 3, Sierra. G8WT. Got you there, Damien, thank you. You're 59 at number 1. 59001.
G6PNH, it is Mike 7, Kilo Yankee Charlie.
Yeah, it's Mike 0, Mexico 0, Japan, Florida Echo. You're 5 and 9. Golf 6, Foxtrot, X-ray, Foxtrot.
Yeah, G6PNH, this is M0MZR.
Mike 0, Lima, Oscar Romeo.
Mike 0, Hotel Zulu Papa.
Mike Whiskey 0, Uniform Papa Hotel.
Yeah, Roger, this is Mike 0, Hotel Zulu Papa.
Juliet Fox, over.
Yeah, I've just got Juliet Fox. Can you give me your full call sign, please? Yeah, I'm not quite picking your full call sign up.
Tom 73.
No, can I have your full call sign, please?
Golf 3 Tango, November.
Roger, Mike Whiskey 0. Mike Whiskey 0, Uniform Papa Hotel.
This is Golf 0, November, Kilo Delta, Kev in Penworth. Germany 0, Kilo, Uniform, Yankee Portable, G0, KUY Portable, you're 5 and 7.
George 8, X-ray, Victor, Japan.
G6 Papa November Hotel, you have Golf 8, Zulu Radio Echo. Mike 7, Golf Hotel, Whiskey Portable. 2-0, Sierra Quebec Kilo. G6PNH, M0CKO calling. Yeah, okay, Damien, just saw your transmission, so I thought I'd give you some points. You're 59001. I'm not taking the part myself, but just thought I'd help out. Hope you're doing okay. M0CKO.
Right, so Dave from St Anne's, M7IJN, India Juliet November, I've made a comment, lovely comment about 145, absolutely brilliant, get on with it, 145 alive. I believe it went alright. I was listening for a while, I didn't chirp in, I let everybody else get on with it. It seemed to be quite nice in our area. I did hear somebody else say it was quite quiet in their area, but still quite a lot of people on, which is absolutely brilliant, keeps it all alive. Dave did make a comment that he was doing a practice. Unfortunately, I'm sorry Dave, this video won't go out in time to advertise that, but nevertheless, if you're having more practices, good on you, get it out there, absolutely. Now also Sean, wherever, I've lost Sean, here we go, M3 Triple S, asked the question of me, what equipment am I using? What equipment am I using? Roll VT, here it is Sean, just for you. So here it is. It's a bag, yes, but it's an old picnic bag that's been converted. I got it for about £2. It was a bit of damage that's been mended on the strap, and I bought myself some foam. Let's have a little look inside. When you open it up, very simply, I have 2 batteries, one of which I use for sorter. I've got a FT2900 which has been reprogrammed so that one of the power levels is 50 watts. I can plug my microphone in there. There we go. I've got power that goes, a power lead, sorry, that goes onto the 2 batteries. I've also got, you notice, a fan on top. A bit over the top, I admit, nevertheless. And I've got myself a little power pack. I just turn that on, and the fan keeps it very nice and cool. There we go. Now the question of which antenna I'm using, I am just using a whip that's mounted on top of the car, and it just goes into the back of the 2900. The whip is a high gain, it's 5.5 dB high gain whip. It's not that far away from a Yorgie, but it is omnidirectional, so I don't need to start moving it around, especially when the weather's like really bad like it was this last. Okay, so there we go, keeping it nice and simple. If you're enjoying this channel, please press subscribe, please press the like button, please make a comment. I'll try my best to comment back. I usually do. It just helps the channel. Like I say, I don't make any money from all this at all. I haven't got anywhere near enough subscribers, enough watchers and so on, enough hours, so it's all fun, and if it helps you, brilliant, that's what we want. Now then, don't forget, every first Tuesday is the 2 meter contest, so get on there. Other people get on there, but have a look at the RSGB in like the last video that I've just done. If you go on the RSGB website and look at contesting, there's a whole calendar there for you. Have a go. Brilliant. It keeps the bands alive, it keeps people talking. If we keep people talking, the hobby keeps going. If the hobby keeps going, we've got shortwave listeners as well into the hobby, licensed listeners into the hobby. Absolutely brilliant. Bang on, let's get on with it. Anyway, until next time, best 7-3s, and thank you once again. This is Ham Radio Reality G6PNH.